Ever wondered how English conversations change as you level up? From casual chit chat to deep, slang filled discussions, language evolves with every step you take. Welcome to MA English, your go to channel for mastering English in real life contexts. Hey, everyone. Welcome to MA English, your go to channel for learning English the fun and natural way. Today, we've got something special. 3 conversations, 3 different levels. We'll start simple, move to intermediate, and finish with an advanced, slang filled chat. Listen, learn, and level up your English step by step. If you're ready to improve your English, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Now let's dive in.
Level 1.
So, but Clara, did you hear about the new cafe that opened near campus?
Oh, really? No, I haven't. What's it called?
It's called the Cozy Corner. They have this amazing coffee and these huge muffins.
Muffins sound great. Do they have chocolate ones?
Yes, they do. And not just regular chocolate. They've got white chocolate, dark chocolate, and even chocolate with nuts.
That sounds perfect for an afternoon snack. How much does a muffin cost there?
Not too bad actually. The muffins are around $3 each, but if you buy a coffee with it, they give you a discount.
Nice. Discounts always make me happy. What kind of coffee do they serve?
They've got all the basics like lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos. But they also have some special drinks like caramel macchiatos and mochas.
Oh, I love mochas. Do you think we should go there sometime soon?
Definitely. We could go after class tomorrow if you're free. It would be nice to relax a bit before starting homework.
That sounds good. I could use a break. By the way, did you finish your economics assignment yet?
Not yet. I've been trying to work on it, but it's so hard. The graphs confuse me so much.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Graphs can be tricky. Maybe we could study together? Sometimes explaining things out loud helps me understand better.
That might help. You're really good at breaking down those complicated ideas. Plus, studying with someone makes it less boring.
True. Let's plan our day then. After class, we'll grab some coffee and muffins at the cozy corner, and then head to the library to study.
Sounds like a plan. I'll bring my notebook and textbook. Speaking of which, did you get the new edition of the economics book?
Yes, I did. It's quite different from the old one. There are more examples and exercises in this version.
Good thing too. Practice problems always help me grasp concepts faster. Did you notice how many chapters we need to cover for the next test?
I think it's 3 chapters, right? From chapter 5 to 7. But don't worry, we still have 2 weeks to prepare.
2 weeks feels short when you consider how much material there is. Still, I guess we can manage if we start early.
Exactly. Starting early is key. Remember last semester when we waited until the last minute? It was stressful.
Oh, yes. I barely slept those nights. This time, let's avoid that situation. Besides, I want to enjoy spring break without worrying about exams.
Same here. Spring break is supposed to be fun, not filled with panic. Anyway, back to the cafe. Do they have outdoor seating?
They do. There's a small patio area where you can sit outside. It's perfect for sunny days.
Perfect. I love sitting outside when the weather is nice. Fresh air while drinking coffee is the best combination.
Totally agree. Plus, the cafe has Wi-Fi, so we can study there if we want. No need to rush to the library if it gets crowded.
That's convenient. I hate going to the library only to find no available seats. The cafe seems like a great alternative.
Right? And another cool thing, they play soft music in the background. It creates a relaxing atmosphere.
Music definitely helps me focus. Some places are too noisy, but soft tunes keep me calm and productive.
Exactly. I tried working at that busy diner downtown once, but it was impossible to concentrate with all the noise.
I can imagine. Loud environments make it hard to think straight. So, shall we meet at the cafe tomorrow at 3?
3 works for me. I'll text you if anything changes. In the meantime, maybe we can look up some practice questions online tonight.
Great idea. Practicing ahead of time will save us stress later. Plus, it'll give us a head start on understanding the material.
Will do. Now, let's finish reviewing these notes before calling it a day.
Level 2.
I've been thinking a lot about getting a part-time job.
Really? Why now?
Well, university expenses are adding up. Books, food, transport, it's a lot. I don't want to ask my parents for money all the time.
That makes sense. A job would definitely help. But won't it be stressful? Managing work and studies at the same time?
Yeah, that's what worries me. I don't want my grades to drop. But I feel like I need the experience too.
That's true. Employers always ask for experience. It's frustrating. How are we supposed to get experience if no one hires students?
Exactly. That's why I want to start now. Even if it's just a small job, it'll be something to put on my resume.
Do you have any idea what kind of job you want?
I was thinking of something flexible, like working in a cafe or a bookstore. Maybe even tutoring.
Tutoring could be a great option. You're good at math, right?
Yeah, I've always been decent at it. I could help high school students. But I don't know how to find students who need a tutor.
You could post online. Some websites connect tutors with students. Or even ask around campus someone might need help.
That's a good idea. But what about you? Have you ever thought about getting a job?
I have, but I'm not sure I could handle it. I already feel so busy with assignments and exams.
Yeah, I get that. Some people can balance everything, but it's not easy.
Exactly. I don't want to start a job and then fail my classes.
True. But I guess it depends on the job. If it's a few hours a week, maybe it wouldn't be too bad.
Maybe. If I could find something related to my studies, that would be perfect.
Like an internship?
Yeah, but most internships don't pay. That's the problem.
Right. That's the worst part. They expect students to work for free to gain experience.
And we still have to pay for everything: rent, food, transport. It's crazy.
It really is. That's why I want a job that at least helps cover some expenses.
That makes sense. If you find something, let me know. Maybe I'll get motivated to look too.
Will do. And if you hear about any tutoring opportunities, tell me.
Of course. You'll do great. Just make sure it doesn't take over your life.
Yeah, I'll have to find the right balance.
You will. Just take it one step at a time.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Anytime. Now, let's eat before our food gets cold.
Level 3.
Ugh, I swear, I can't wake up today.
Same. I feel like I ain't slept at all.
Yeah, probably because you stayed up watching TV.
Pfft, like you weren't scrolling on your phone for hours.
Okay, fair. But still, we gotta start sleeping earlier. Feels like my brain's moving in slow motion.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you look kinda lost.
Wow, thanks. So sweet of you.
Just saying. Maybe you need coffee number 2.
I need coffee number 10.
Well, guess what? We're out of coffee.
What? No way. I just bought some?
Yeah, and we finished it. You drink coffee like it's water.
'Cause it keeps me alive. How am I supposed to survive today?
Dunno. Maybe. I dunno. Buy more coffee?
Wow, genius plan. Didn't think of that.
Hey, no need to be sarcastic. I'm trying to help here.
Help by getting me coffee.
Fine. I'll grab some later. Happy now?
Not till I got coffee in my hands.
Sheesh, you're impossible. You're impossible.
Anyway, what's the plan for today?
Work? What else?
No, I mean after work.
Oh. Dunno. What do you want to do?
We still gotta fix that leak in the sink.
Ugh, right. Can't we just call someone?
Call who? The sink fixing fairy?
Funny. No, like a plumber.
You know how much they charge? Just watch a video or something.
Me? Watch a video. What about you?
I'm gonna supervise.
Oh, I see. So I do all the work, and you, what? Sit there and give me bad advice?
Exactly. Sounds like a solid plan.
Nah, sounds like a scam.
Oh, come on. You fixed the door last time. This should be easy.
Last time, I nearly broke the whole door.
But you didn't. That's progress.
Barely.
Whatever, you'll be fine.
Yeah. We'll see.
Okay, so after that, we should probably do grocery shopping. We're out of, everything.
Didn't we just go?
Yeah, like a week ago. Stuff runs out, Gary. That's how food works.
Fine. But if we go, we're getting snacks.
No, we always get snacks and then you eat them all in a day.
And? That's what snacks are for.
They're supposed to last the week.
Who made that rule?
Me. I made that rule.
Whatever. You're still getting the healthy stuff.
Whatever. You're still getting the healthy stuff.
Ugh, fine. But I'm sneaking in some chips.
You always do.
And you never stop me.
'Cause I got bigger problems.
Like what?
Like the fact that I'm sitting here, still waiting for coffee.
Alright. I'll go get some.
Finally. Took you long enough.
You're so dramatic.
And you love it.